After the visitor presses the doorbell, you will instantly receive a call notification on your mobile phone via the Tuya Smart-app. You can check the door situation in real time and talk to the visitor. The app also allows you to take snapshots or record video at any time. The PNI Safe House IDB10 gives you clear images and video recordings in all conditions. The 4 built-in IR LEDs allow you to see clearly even in the dark. The visibility distance at night is up to 5 meters. The smart light sensor detects ambient light and automatically switches to night vision mode. The operation mode of the LEDs can be controlled via the Tuya Smart-app. The indoor unit is powered via a USB port. You can connect it to any outlet via 230V 5V adapter or directly into the USB port of your computer. That way, when you're at home, you'll hear the ringtone immediately, even if you don't have your phone next to you. The ringer has adjustable volume and allows you to select the ringtone, and the built-in LEDs light up when you receive a call. The doorbell camera gives you clear sound in two-way communication. You can see, hear and talk to visitors immediately. The wide-angle HD camera allows you to see the situation in front of the door at a glance, so there is no blind spot or visitor entering the frame. The camera is powered by a 600 mAh rechargeable battery via the USB-C port. Installing the outdoor video camera takes less than 5 minutes without the need to use any complicated tools. You can connect the indoor doorbell anywhere in a 230V socket. Share video ringtone with family members through Tuya Smart. At home, at work or on holiday, you will always know who is in front of your house.